Hello students, have you ever noticed three lines in a triangle can meet at three different places? Sometimes inside, sometimes at the corner, sometimes outside. Today, we will learn a reason behind this and how to construct it. Welcome back to Maths with Geetu. Today's topic, construction of altitudes of a triangle. Remember, altitude equals perpendicular line from vertex to opposite side. The point where all three altitude meet is called as orthocenter, denoted by letter O. So, take your compass and scale. Let's begin our construction. In acute angle triangle, from vertex A, draw two arcs on opposite side BC, cutting BC at point P and Q. From point P and Q, draw arcs which intersect each other at point R. Now join AR. This is your first altitude. From vertex B, draw two arcs on opposite side AC, cutting it at point S and T. From point S and T, draw arcs which will intersect each other at point U. Join point B with point U. This is your second altitude from point B. From vertex C, draw two arcs on opposite side AB, cutting it at point V and W. From point V and W, draw arcs which will intersect each other at point X. Now join CX. This is your altitude from point C. The point where all altitudes meet is orthocenter. Draw right angle triangle PQR. Extend side QR. From vertex P, draw arcs on opposite side QR, cutting it at A and B. From point A and B, draw arcs which intersect each other at point C. Join point P with point C. TC is the altitude from vertex P. From vertex Q, draw arcs on opposite side PR, cutting it at D and E. From point D and E, draw arcs which intersect each other at point F. Join point Q with point F. This is our altitude QF from point Q. From vertex R, draw arcs on opposite side PQ, cutting it at G and H. From G and H, draw arcs which intersect each other at I. Ri is altitude from I. All altitudes meet at vertex of right angle called orthocenter. Draw obtuse angle triangle STU and extend side ST. From point U, draw two arcs A and B on opposite side ST. From A and B, draw arcs intersecting each other at C. Join point U and C. This is your altitude drawn from vertex U. From point T, draw two arcs P and Q on opposite side SU. From P and Q, draw arcs intersecting each other at R. Join point T and R. This is the altitude drawn from point T. To draw altitude from point S, extend side TU. From point S, draw two arcs X and Y on opposite side TU. From X and Y, draw arcs intersecting each other at point Z. Join point SZ. This is your altitude drawn from vertex S. All the altitudes meet at same point O, which is called as orthocenter. What can we conclude? For acute triangle, orthocenter is inside. For right triangle, orthocenter is at the right angle vertex. For obtuse triangle, orthocenter is outside. If you found this helpful, like, share and subscribe to Maths with Geetu. Next video, construction of medians. Till then, bye.